Hello everyone, it's Claudia here from Holistically Forward, and guess what day it is? Yay, it's unpacking day! So, let's get on with this. Now let's see what I ordered. It's that long ago that I nearly forgot what I've ordered. Oh, very nice. Let's have a look. There's a packing list in here. Oh, this way around. Packing list. The essential edge paper is in here. And then we have something wonderful. Sensation bath and shower gel. Absolutely love it. This is really, really my favorite shower gel in the world. And oh, it's just lovely. And if you look, there is a top that you need to take off before you can get to the shower gel so that nothing spills. It has the most wonderful, wonderful smell. And the good thing with any Young Living product is you need just a tiny little amount of it so it lasts for ages. And then we have some oils. Maybe. And there we go. And we have some more oils. This one's in a special package, okay. Let's see. Oh wow, this is white Angelica. This has been out of stock for absolute ages and it's back now, so yoo-hoo! Let me smell this. Now, I have absolutely no idea what it smells like. Never smelled it before, ever. Wow. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is so good. I seriously wish we had smell-o-vision so that you could smell this. I'd get this back on there. This is so good, and this will really help with meditation. That's what I'm going to use it for. White Angelica. Oh, Angelica, the connecting with your angel oils. So this will really help in connecting with the angels on a much deeper level. Oh, these oils have, all of these oils, because they are so pure, they have their own like plant spirits within them. Every single oil has a spirit that you can connect with or that can connect with you. And these oils are just really so wonderful. And this spirit is definitely female. And very gentle. And this is an oil that can connect your heart chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye chakra, and your crown chakra. So that you can really open up your heart and mind to the messages you are receiving from your angels, from your guides. And then you can also, the throat chakra helps you get them out and let other people know about the messages you receive. So here we go. White Angelica, beautiful. Very nice. And oh, I've been looking forward to this. This is one of the more expensive oils, Transformation, so I've not really had it before. But I felt it was the time to try it out. So let's see about this one. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wishing again we had smell-o-vision. Transformation. The oil for any kind of change, any kind of transformation. You know, whenever there's a lot of transformational energies, like there are at the minute with the Lion's Gate, and on Saturday we have a new moon eclipse, so transformation is the oil for this. And oh, it is absolutely, seriously wonderful. Transformation really helps you get to grips with any kind of transformation. So if anything is happening in your life or you want to transform anything in your life, this is your oil. And this is my order. This is what I've ordered, a very small order, because of the fact that transformation is one of the more expensive oils. But with this order, I also received for free. I know you get stuff for free with this company, which I absolutely love. I received some orange vitality essential oil, which is absolutely fabulous in water. I love orange. I love orange essential oil. It is so uplifting. It is so empowering. And you know, when it's really dreary outside and or even cold in winter, this is your oil because it's like sunshine. It's sunshine in a bottle, orange essential oil. And anytime you're feeling down or depressed or you just can't seem to get yourself going, try this. And because this is vitality, which means you can take these vitality essential oils, you can take them internally. No matter how many people scream right now at the screen saying, no, you can't take essential oils internally. Well, this has been checked and double checked, and it's up to all the standards, the FDA standards and all other European standards, that yes, you can. This vitality line you can take internally. Now, obviously, be careful, don't overdo it like with anything, because these are very pure essential oils, so these are very potent. So, one drop in a big glass of water, and you can take this internally. So I am looking forward to drinking some of that. And it is awesome as well in your Ningxia Red. An extra drop of orange. And that is my order for this week. So I have White Angelica for connecting with the angelic realm. This is awesome, awesome, awesome for getting that connection going with your angels. And then transformation. Transformation essential oil is really fabulous just to help transform your life. Transform your life with transformation and bring sunshine into your life with orange vitality, which you can take it internally. So you can stick a drop of this into a glass of water. Beautiful. And it cheers you up. And the best shower gel in the world, Sensation Bath and Shower Gel. This is just absolutely awesome. It's cleansing and delightful to the senses. This highly aromatic bath and shower gel contains a mix of 100% pure Young Living essential oils. And it's believed to enhance love and desire. There you go. Sensation Essential Oil Shower Gel. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's a bath and shower gel. I tend to use it as a shower gel because I prefer showers to baths. But if you like to have a bath, this is excellent. You can also stick it in your bath water and it just foams up nicely and you can bathe in sensation bubbles. Sensation essential oils encourages self-love as well. It is really good for encouraging you to love yourself and take really good care of yourself. So you can achieve this with this shower gel as well. And this is my order for this month. I wish you a very lovely day, and if you have any questions, pop them down below on YouTube and up above on Facebook. And if you want to order any oils, I will pop the link down below where you can get 24% off your essential oil order. And if you get in touch with me, I will also let you know how you can make that 34%. Right? Have a beautiful day, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.